how to allow recording in Google Meet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device and simply scroll down to tap on apps. Then select on manage apps over here and then simply tap on the search bar to search for Google Meet application. So I'm going to search for Meet only over here and then wait for a few more seconds until the app pops up. So let's wait for a few seconds and we'll be able to see the app right over here. So tap on it and then tap on the app permissions option. So as you tap on the app permissions option, you'll be able to see there are different options over here. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you give access to microphone over here, and after that tap on files and media and give that access. And as you do that, you'll be able to allow recording in Google Meet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.